Hey, it's Dr. Kim, and I want to share with you a really powerful breathing tool to bring you out of fight or flight. If you're in pain, if you have anxiety, if you have you're kind of really fired up and you're in your mind, or you're having a lot of symptoms and you're really frustrated, this is a really important way because we don't really think, well, my pain is linked to my breathing, but pain is really linked to an inflamed nervous system, an inflamed immune system. And when things are turned on, it is going to disrupt every organ system in your body and exacerbate any kind of symptoms. So if you have any kind of illness or anxiety or pain, this is really, really powerful. And it's not necessarily going to instantaneously turn things off or turn off your symptoms, but it will instantaneously turn off what is igniting them. And it's basically a relaxation breath. So to practice, you can put a hand on your chest and put a hand on your belly to kind of feel where your breathing is. When you're really fired up, your fight or flight system's turned on, we're breathing shallow breaths into our chest, and we're using all of these extra muscles in the neck, in the back, in the chest wall, and we're kind of breathing up here, and you'll see a lot of motion in the chest. When you're in relaxation, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and the breath comes down into your belly. So it's like it'll expand out and then sink back in. So you want to put that second hand on your belly and feel that balloon effect, like your abdomen is ballooning out with the inhale, sinking back in with the exhale. So the best way to do this, just close your eyes, put your hand on your belly, and feel for that expansion in your belly. Now take a big deep breath and see if you can just relax your shoulders so that your belly rises with your breath. Your belly expands with your breath. And then as you exhale, just relax everything, and you'll notice your belly sink back in with your exhale. Now, if you don't notice this right away, or you're like, it's not really coordinating and my body's not doing that, lie down on your back with your knees up, and you can practice it that way, and then just visualize the belly expanding with the in-breath. So 3 breaths to just see the belly expanding, even if your body's not mechanically doing it yet, because your mind-body system communicates through imagery. And if you're just seeing the imagery of the belly expanding as you inhale, sinking back down as you exhale, your body will begin to follow. The really powerful thing this does is not only that it relaxes your neck, your shoulders, it turns off your entire fight or flight system. So your cortisol, stress hormone, your levels will go down. Your adrenal glands, which is like all of your adrenaline, epinephrine, all of the stress hormones that kick in to give you energy, those will also relax. Doesn't mean you won't have energy. It means you won't overwork your adrenals and run yourself out, like chronic fatigue syndrome, things like that. It allows a really powerful restoration. There are also a lot of pain points in the body and the neck and the upper back that are triggered by the fight or flight response that will be turned off with this breathing. So if you feel like you have problems sleeping, if you have problems with anxiety, if you have problems with pain, this is a really, really useful breath. Just put your hand on your chest, hand on your belly. Do those 3 deep breaths anytime. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Let your belly expand, especially like headaches, things like that, because a lot of neck tension will cause headaches. Go into this breath. Again, if you want to lay on your back with your knees bent up, that will really help if the mechanics aren't really there for you so easily when you're seated, to just let your body relax into this breathing pattern. I hope this is really helpful. Practice it 3 times a day. Set your alarm and do this relaxation breath, because it will retrain your body and retrain your nervous system, your musculoskeletal system, to be in this pattern of relaxed breathing. I'm Dr. Kim Duramo from drkimd.com, and I look forward to hearing more from you and sharing more in mind-body medicine. Be well.